Hello everybody, welcome back to another latest video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix you cannot place a WhatsApp call if you are already on another call. So many of iPhone users are facing this problem. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen and now open App Store. Search for WhatsApp and from here make sure that you have an updated version of the WhatsApp Messenger like this. If any update is available there, you have to update your WhatsApp Messenger like this, and then go back. And if the problem still is not solved, then go for the second method. For that, open Settings app on your device and then scroll it down and tap on General. Again scroll it down and now tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll it down and here is the WhatsApp, so tap it, and from here you have to offload app, tap it, again confirm it, and then go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. Tap on the WhatsApp and it's have to be download again, and it's installing right now. Just wait a moment, it has been installed, so tap it and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. Try to call. As you can see, it's calling right now. So my problem has been solved now. So that's it for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.